Hello, students. Good morning. Here I am your English teacher with your English prime book. Today we'll start new chapter, chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is The Little Red Hen. Now, before starting the chapter, let's read this one. It's given. Given below are some activities. Indicate with a tick mark whether you do them on your own or need someone's help. Some activities are given. See the activities. First one, doing my homework. Second one, tying my shoelaces. Third one, packing my school bag. Fourth one, combing my hair. Now, besides that, two columns are given. One is on my own, means whatever activities you can do yourself. And second one is need help, means activities you need help of your parents or any other one. So, see the first, doing my homework. In doing your homework, if you can do it yourself, then put a tick mark in the column on my own. Or if you need homework, then or if you need help, then put a tick mark in the column need help. I think you all have understood. So do it carefully. Now see the chapter. A little red hen, a turkey, a duck, and a goose are good friends. See, red hen, turkey, duck, and goose. These four birds are good friends. Now one day, the little red hen sees a bag of flour. Flour means powdered form of grains. So one day, red hen got a bag of flour. Now she wants to take the bag of flour to her home and make cookies. When she got the flour, she thought to make cookies. So she wants to take the bag her home. She pulls the bag, but it's too heavy. She asks her friends for help. Now the bag was heavy, so the hen asked her friends for help. Now see if they help her or not. Will you help me take this bag home? See, the red hen is asking whether her friends could help her in taking the bag home or not. The duck said, "No, I am sitting in the sun." Then firstly, the duck refused by saying that he is sitting in the sun. Now turkey. What turkey said? "No, I have to hunt for insects." The turkey also refused. He said that he have to hunt for insects. Now third one, goose. Goose said, "No, I am going for a swim." Goose also refused for help. He said that he was going for a swim. Now what little red hen did? The little red hen pulls the bag all alone and brings it home. When everyone refused for help, the hen pulls the bag by herself to her home. Before making the cookies, she asked her friends for help. Again, little hen, she asked her friends for help in making cookies. Now again what they said? See, hen is asking, "Will you help me bake cookies?" Again goose replied, "No, I am going for a swim." Again goose said that he was going for a swim. He refused to help. Duck, "No, I am sitting in the sun." Duck also refused for help. He said that he was sitting in the sun. Now turkey. Turkey said, "No, I have to hunt for insects." Turkey also refused. He said that he had to go to hunt for insects. Now the little red hen bakes the cookies all by herself. So again when everyone refused, the hen did all her work herself. Now next, see, the cookies are ready. When the cookies was ready, everyone Little Red Hen's home. It smells good. The turkey said that it was smelling good. Look at the cookies. The duck also said that the cookies were looking very beautiful. They must be tasty. The goose said that it's looking very tasty. Shall we help you eat the cookies? All three asked together that if they can help her eating the cookies. Now, can you think what the hen must have replied? See, there is blank above Little Red Hen. There is space given. Tell me, anyone can tell what the hen must have replied? What do you think the hen said? You all have to write the answer that what the hen must have said to her friends. So this was your chapter. Now some difficult words I have given. First one is friends. 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 FLOU flour. COOKIES cookies. INSECTS insects. ALONE alone. BRINGS brings. Word meanings: goose, a large duck that has a long neck. Flour, soft white or brown powder made from grains. Cookies, a kind of biscuit. Hunt, chase animals to kill them. Now some homework also is there. First one, read the lesson carefully. Second one, learn all the word meaning and difficult words with spelling. Third one, in a copy, make a list of all the things you do by yourself. Whatever activities you do by yourself, you have to make a list of all those things in a copy. Now some question answer is there. Answer the following question in one word. First one is, who is sitting in the sun? Tell the answer, which bird is sitting in the sun? Second one, who wants to go for a swim? Which bird was telling to go for a swim? And third one, what does the turkey have to hunt for? Where was turkey going to hunt? What she has to hunt? Tell the answer. Write the answer in a copy. Thank you.